Hey guys, this is CopperCarver, and today we are doing the unboxing on the Govee Permanent Outdoor Light Pro.
Hey friends, just a quick disclaimer. I just wanted to let y'all know that this video is a little bit different, and I'll admit it's probably not up to par with what I would normally do. These are lights that I actually got for a friend, so I wasn't able to do the process of connecting it to the app, showing what the app looks like, putting it on the house, and a couple other things like that. So I do apologize for the quality of this video. Nonetheless, my friend still let me have the box for a little bit so I could do a quick unboxing. But either way, I hope you all enjoy the video and can see some scenes and just a little bit of different information about it. And maybe if I get this light for myself, I'll do a better video.
First thing y'all might notice is that I'm a little bit shorter compared to the table right now. I'm shooting in a slightly different spot because I'm doing some stuff in my kind of computer gaming area right now. But anyways, finally got these lights. However, they're not for me. I'm helping a friend out right now that was really looking for some outdoor lights, and with some suggestions and him doing his own research, we kind of both came to the conclusion that the Govee Permanent Pro lights is what would best go on his house. So he was awesome and said, you know what, if you want to shoot the video first, go for it. So comparing this one to the two, this one has brighter whites and honestly all the other functions that the two has. There's a lot of other things too, but I'll put those in the description. So sadly, these aren't going on my house, but maybe one day I'll get some of these to go on my house. If any of y'all want to donate some money, then maybe I'll put some on my house. But anyways, yeah, let's open these up because I know that they're super popular. I know that you can splice them together. As you can see right here, you can cut. They come in three sizes, 100 foot, 150, and 200. Sometimes certain apps like Amazon, currently I only see 100 and 200, but on the Govee app, there's also a 150. So yeah, it comes in white and black, and I want to say it uses adhesives for sticking on your house. But this is the 150 foot one, so let's go ahead and open this up. I can tell you right now, it is a big, heavy box. Okay, so right on top, we have typical manual stuff. This does support Dream View, so that is awesome. It means it connects with all your other lights and can do bigger creative things. We do have a user manual right here. This is probably one of those you really need to look at the manual. Matter support guide, so it is supported by Matter. Oh, and here we go with a quick start guide showing everything on how to connect. Feel free to pause. There's a thing on the back. So this is actually really nice that shows how to put everything together. Okay, a lot of boxes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's just the top layer. So this box, oh, that's much bigger than I thought. This box right here, let's open this up. Looks like it has some of the lights. So I've actually never seen the outdoor lights before. So I'll tell you right now, they are smaller than I thought. Let's take a look at this. So here are the lights. Yeah, much smaller than I thought. Look at that. So, but they are clean looking. I know that this is a huge, oh, okay. So it being 100 foot, it looks like it has multiple strands that you connect to get up to 150 feet. Okay, so you can see kind of some of them right here. So I wonder if each of these 4 boxes just have a bunch of strands like this that equal up to 150 feet. You know, I feel like that would make things easier for putting on the house. That way you don't have a huge cord that is dragging out and weighing everything down. So that's actually nice. So yeah, this box, just the lights in it. Let's see, maybe all of them are that way. Another box. Exact same thing. So more lights right here. There's no need for me to get all of them out, but I will see if any of these have different stuff in them. This one right here. Same thing. Fast forward button. Okay, this one actually says accessory kit on it. So let's open this up. This one actually has tape on it. I wonder if you can actually see all of me right now. Accessory kit. Okay. Oh man. So right here, this is gonna be a lot of work. So right here, you have a couple different things. It looks like this is actually for, this actually looks like it's for cord management right here. It has sticky adhesive, I see nails, actual adhesives right here for the lights themselves. Those must be extras because on the back you can see that it has the sticky adhesive right here. So it's not by screws, it's by sticky adhesives. But I do want to see online, I've seen people actually make 3D printed kind of mounts, I guess you would call it, that go over this that allow you to screw it in. So that's actually really cool. Right here, these must be the connectors that connect in between each set of lights. Right here. Okay, we got, man, there's so much stuff in this. This would be overwhelming to put together. I still want to do it though. So yeah, more of these connectors. Oh man, that is hands down the most heavy duty power brick of any Govee product I have opened. It is. That's a brick, literally a power brick. It's heavy. This would hurt someone. And here we have little, wait a minute, what is this? Hold on. And here, what is this? Oh, okay. So little nails or screws for something. That's interesting. Look at this. I'm gonna have to look at the manual to see what these are for. If you have experience with this, message me in the comments. There's not many of them, so this must be to keep something up on the wall or something. But yeah, so these are the cords. This is what they look like right here. We got the white. They have the black version as well. This is at the 150 foot. This isn't going to be as thorough as most of my other unboxings because my buddy, I was going to go to his house to actually video him putting it on his house. But with weather and a couple other schedule conflicts, I can't blame my friend. He wants to do it now. He can't wait for me. And honestly, I encourage him to go ahead and do it because I've seen the videos and this is an awesome product. So from looking at everything right here, the next thing you'll see is most likely the lights on his house. And I'll go over some of the scenes and then I'll do another shot of me just kind of talking about the lights and I'll try to wear the same thing and yeah. Okay, so the lights are installed on my friend's house and honestly they're phenomenal. They look great. I love them and I'm jealous, so I honestly want to see about getting these lights soon. He said there are some challenges putting it on the house, but not challenges as far as, oh, it's not working, but typical challenges you would have with hanging lights all around your house with the ladder and everything like that. He said it was pretty easy. The manual explained a lot. This is his first time getting on the Govee app, and he really liked the functionality of it and how easy it was to change everything. And the scenes look great. Like Govee scenes, they always look great. They always look amazing. So these are the Govee Outdoor Permanent Light Pros. If I didn't cover all the information, like I said, this video is very different for me. I'm not as thorough, but you know, you can always look online and find a lot of the information. I'll provide a link where you can find that information. I do see most people say get the Pros versus the 2. And after doing research myself, I think I'm agreeing with that. Price goes from, I want to say, I need to double check, but I want to say from like $200 to $700 or $400 to $700 depending on the size. I do see sales happening all the time, so always look for those sales and kind of anticipate them. This has been CopperCarver. I appreciate y'all stopping by. Please like, share, subscribe. I have a lot of Govee videos and a lot of videos on other LEDs. If you're a big gamer like me, I always try to find lots of cool lights. So thank y'all for stopping by.